Hey guys, Matt Reichel here at Boreas Composite Panels. We're offering our insulated FRP composite panel to the DIY crowd and to OEMs. Since the inception of Boreas Campers, we quickly switched from a traditional wood construction teardrop to a composite teardrop. That allowed for a stronger camper, no rot, no mold, no mildew. So this is an example of our panel here that we're offering. And this is available in multiple sizes up to 13 feet long, 60 inches tall. We can also offer custom sizes as well. So if you're looking to build your own camper at home or into some smaller manufacturing, this product is a great solution for you. We can either provide the raw panels to you directly, or if you have designs, we can cut them on our CNC router. Make sure to check out our website for more information and pricing. Follow along on YouTube and social media, and reach out with any questions on your projects.